Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. We're still doing our quarantine cantina videos, but it is getting to be summer, so we're going to do a nice summer salad for you. We've got a nice easy one here, and again, this is one that we like and everybody likes. So, zucchini and chickpea salad. We're going to just go ahead and get it started. We've got some zucchinis and got some nice pretty little peppers, little red onion, some parsley, little thyme, salt and pepper, little rice wine vinegar, some olive oil, and of course some chickpeas. I've got a can already drained out, rinsed, and let's just go ahead and get started. Now, as far as the zucchini goes, I've got these all rinsed off and washed, and all we're going to do, we're going to nip the ends off a little bit, and this is how I like to do it. Just split them down, split them again, and we're just going to cut the centers out just a little bit. Get rid of the seeds, they won't soak up as much stuff, and it gives it a little flat surface. It also gives it just a little different appearance. So like I said, we're just gonna cut these out, and then we're just gonna give them a little dice. So here we go. And I'm just gonna cut these on a little bit of a bias because I like the look of that. And you wind up with a nice little piece. Like I said, it looks a little bit different, so it gives it that little bit of, I don't know how French say, a little je ne sais quoi. So, like I said, we're just going to dice these up a little bit. Get them into a bowl. Got a little bit of red onion, and I'm just going to do a little fine dice of some red onion. And all I'm doing is I'm sort of following the radius of the onion. I'm just doing the size of the dice that I want, and then we'll just come across. And then you wind up with a nice little dice. Save the rest of that onion for something else. And these little peppers, so cute. So we're just going to give these, and give us a nice flat area to cut off of. And these will also give us a nice color too. What do we got? We got a yellow, a red, maybe an orange. And we're going to do the same thing with this. We're just going to give it a nice little dice. Do some little julienne strips, and then we'll run them the other way, and then you get a perfect little dice. And again, this is a little rustic summer salad, so they're not perfect. Don't worry about it. It's all good. And so the key part is just keeping your fingers back behind there. With some peppers in there. And what else do we want to add in there? Of course, we've got our chickpeas. We're going to get those in there. And then we've got a little bit of parsley we're going to add in. We've got a little of that nice parsley. And we're just going to give this a little rough chop. Mince it up all the way, you can. Like I said, for me, I like a little bit of chop and a little bit of thyme. We're going to take a couple sprigs of thyme here. And the thyme, all we're going to do is we're going to pull them off. And they'll pull right off the stem. The stems we don't really want. But you can just pull the leaves off and they come right off. Like a little panda eating a bamboo. Again, same thing, we're just a little bit of flavor here. And then this, just to get rid of those last little bits, just give this a little quick chop. And then we're going to do a little salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and I like a little rice wine vinegar in there. And I'm going to throw you a little something different. This is certainly not, you don't have to have this. A little salt and pepper is good. I happen to have a little bit of some pink peppercorns here in a little grinder. Again, just to give it a little bit of color, a little extra flavor. They're not hot. Like I said, I'm going to do a little olive oil. And a little bit of rice wine vinegar. And now to complement this as well, I like the brightness of a little fresh lemon, so we're going to give it a little bit of a zest. And again, this is just going to bring out that nice lemon flavor without any of the bitter. So we'll just give a little zest. And then maybe a little squeeze too. A little stir, and then we'll check it. But I mean, look at that. Gorgeous. Colorful. You want to leave it like this. This is perfect. This is what I like. I mean, look at the colors and the flavors are all just going to be dynamite. Now, we've also got, if you want to dress it, jazz it up just a little bit more, I've got a little bit of some queso fresco here, or queso blanco. You want to dice a little bit of that up, sprinkle it on top. What I like even better than that is I just take a little piece and give a little crumble. You want to do a little ricotta salata, you can do that too. Got a nice little piece of that. You don't need much. Again, just to dress it up, make it pretty. Take that. We can take one of those little pieces of the lemon that we had. Give that a little twist as well. I got a little sprig of some frisee. I just happen to have some around anyway. Well, there we go. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Hope everybody out there is staying safe and healthy. Be kind to each other. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And have a happy summer.